and gentlemen, what an honor it is to have each and every one of you here. Let's welcome the monster trucks to the block. Give a round of applause. Yes, yes, a big thank you to Providence Auto for partnering with us. Look at this. What is this? Yeah, mini monster truck. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Now, this is pretty cool. I'm so used to announcing by myself here, but Corbin Hurley from all the way up in New York is like, man, I got to hang out with him last time. I said, man, come on down again. He just knows these monster trucks so well. He travels with them oftentimes. So it's an honor to have him here on the track, and I'm going to have him introduce you to them. So I want you to join me in welcoming Corbin to the block. Welcome, Corbin.
Hey guys, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Man, oh man, it is so awesome to be here at the Buck. You know, I tell you something, I've been following this track for so many years. I've been watching all the shows, and I've been seeing all this stuff. I come here as a fan for so many years, and now I'm doing this as an event host, so it's pretty cool. I'm Chaos Corbin Hurley. I'm from Rochester, New York. Andy, it is an honor and privilege, my friend, to be joined by you here today. But you guys know me, you know Mr. Kaiser up there, you surely know him, but I got a question. Who's ready to meet your monster truck driver?
Yes.
Well, we're gonna start with people that you're seeing right down there on the front stretch. Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of us right here are awesome mini monster trucks brought to you in part by our friends from Wayne's Towing and Recovery are out here with us this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the first driver that I want you to meet today. He is 13 years of age, driving the Little Green Destruction Machine. He comes to us from Knox, Pennsylvania. Say hello to Cooper and Minnie Tyson. Next up, the driver who's looking to bring a little girl power here to the Buck tonight. I call her the Princess of Speed. She is 9 years old from Tappahannock, Virginia, driving a little purple can opener from right here at the Buck. Say hello to Kinsley and Minnie Schroeder. And last but certainly not least, you know something, ladies and gentlemen, it ain't the Buck without this guy, the 12-year-old rock star, as I like to call him, representing Wayne's Towing and Recovery with that awesome looking paint job specifically for this event here at the Buck today. He calls this place his backyard. Ladies and gentlemen, you are his crowd, you are his fans. This is your guy. It's none other than Garrett and Manny Stinger. Our Wayne's Towing and Recovery mini monster trucks are so cool, and we thank Wayne's Towing and Recovery for all that they do for us, especially with our mini monster trucks. But, you know, as cool as minis are, I gotta know, who's ready to meet our monster trucks today? We're gonna start right here in the center of our track. We're one of the old school trucks, I like to call them, the square body. Back in black, as we like to say, representing for the old school days of monster trucks. You talk about Bigfoot, you talk about Gravedigger, you talk about Carolina Crusher. Well, check it out. This is one of those trucks that back in the day was romping and stomping here in the Buck. Went away for a few years, but this guy brought it back to life, and he's been rocking the house in it ever since. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to us from Deltona, Florida, give a big Buck Motorsports Park welcome to Mr. Mike Pagliarulo with Excalibur! Next up, a truck that's kind of like Jim Kohler's Avenger truck. It keeps changing colors, it keeps changing paint jobs. 1 minute it's green, the next minute it's orange. It's super, super cool to see. And I tell you what, the guy behind the wheel has been rocking the house in it. And actually, he put his crew guy in it for introduction. Today we're going to meet him here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, in what we like to call the Cadillac Jestolade, the ringleader of Tomboy Motorsports, also from Deltona, Florida, he's going to run it like a pirate. It's Josh, Yoho, and Chester! And we're gonna keep it over here for just a second. The truck is right in front of me, sitting right next to Chester, lighting up the night sky. You can't miss it. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy just coming off I believe his first Beast of the Beach Championship in Wildwood. He's been romping and stomping all season long, and he calls the Buck one of his favorite stops to do all year. He comes to us from Bethesda, Maryland. Ladies and gentlemen, lighting up the night sky. Put your hands together for Corey Snyder and Illuminator. We're going to take it right down to the other side of the track right there. One of the coolest, most amazing 3D body monster trucks you're ever going to find on the circuit. A personal favorite of mine, but you know what, we've been seeing him. He's been rocking in stadiums, arenas, and racetracks all across the country, and he brought it right here to the Buck Motorsports Park on a beautiful Saturday night. Ladies and gentlemen, he hails from Deltona, Florida. Another guy from the Tom Floyd Motorsports camp, the guy that wants to get squiddy with it. It's Nick Pagliarulo and Kraken! And ladies and gentlemen, rounding out the field, I call him the Mean Green Destruction Machine. One of the coolest, most iconic independent monster trucks on the face of the earth. And that's right, we brought him back to the Buck. The last time he was here, he tore this place up, and he's looking to do it again right here tonight. He hails from Frederick, Maryland. Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet from Preston, Perez, and Toxin! One more time, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your Buck Motorsports Ball Bash Monster Truck Riders!
4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, there we go. Nice job.
Best trick run. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it can be a wheelie, it can be a big jump, it can be a donut, it can be literally whatever trick these drivers have up their sleeves. But here's the thing, it's all judged by you, the fans here. You see, here's the deal. After our competition's over, we're going to go around to each one of these trucks, and based off your noise and your applause that you make for that truck, that determines who wins it here at the Buck today. From Deltona, Florida, he's pulling double duty here this afternoon.
Ram trucks. Dropping the colors right here at the Buck. Hey, I can see Hurley to finish it off. Starts going over.
We were talking about balance earlier. What's Preston gonna do here? We were talking about balance earlier. What's Preston gonna do here?
Tough truck to the staging area. Transmission or something in the drivetrain didn't work.
Sounds like it could be a transmission, but we're not exactly sure.
He certainly was put everything out of that truck. Folks, this truck's really special, and we didn't cover it yet, but this truck was created, the Excalibur, in 1985. When you think of monster truck history, monster trucks really started in 81 as a business with Bigfoot and so forth, but in 85 there was not too many out there, probably a dozen or so.
Thanks, Andy, and he said Freestyle. Freestyle's coming up. This guy hopes with Freestyle. He just won our best trick competition. It's Mr. Preston Perez, the driver of Toxic. Now, Preston, here's the thing, man. When we asked these fans who won and we said Toxic, this place erupted, man. What goes through your head when you hear that?
Oh, you know, it means a lot. Like I said, I've been here probably about 6 times now. I got so many Toxic fans here. Can't let you guys down. Got to put on a show every single time. Got my family here. You know, they're always out there supporting me. I love you guys. You know, we're just getting started. Racing's next. One of my favorite competitions. We'll see what we can do.
Awesome, awesome. Now, Preston, I got to ask the question, man. Like I said earlier in the pre-show, you can do anything on this track. We've seen do all kinds of cool stuff. But I got to ask you, what we saw in Best Trick, is that just a preview of what we're going to be seeing in Freestyle today?
Oh yeah, definitely, man. You know, that's just a taste. You know, we got crews back there thrashing too, get those trucks back ready. They're gonna do everything they can. We will give you a good show here at the Buck. It is always a good time at the Buck, so you guys just stay in your seat, get ready, and get loud.
Awesome, awesome. One more time, Buck Motorsports Park. Here's your best trick winner, Preston Perez and Tucson. Back to you, Andy.
Tough trucks coming up next now.
All right, Buck fans, let's find out who you think is going to win today. Who thinks the winner is going to be Chester? Who thinks the winner is going to be Illuminator?
I'll be watching. It's a lot more challenging than the old days of straight line racing.
All right, so let's take another vote here as our trucks make their way onto the track. How many of you want to see Toxic win? Who wants to see Brandon win? Destruction Machine versus the Squid Kid as it comes to the line, their stage and ready to go green right here at the Buck.
Congratulations to Preston Perez. Look who's coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Look who's back.
All right, who says the winner's going to be Excalibur? One truck for that.
Track and team back out of loser. We have an odd number truck. That's why it's Illuminator versus Kraken. Semi-finals, fans. I cannot believe they turned it on that much.
Let's go racing in the Buck. job right there. Nick Pagliarulo and Kraken.
But his experience didn't make it happen here tonight. Corbin down there with our winner.
Thanks, Andy. Well, Nick, congratulations, man. What a gnarly racing competition, dude. From hairpin turns to high-speed finishes, you got faster and faster in each round, man. What's going through your mind?
You know what? I'm fired up. Me and my team have had one hell of a first half of the show. We had a transmission go with my brother's truck. We had fuel pump issues with with our other truck. We got both done in 15 minutes. I got fired up. The rest of my team did, and we decided, why not take the racing championship? I was hyped up. What did you guys think? Was that awesome or what?
I think these fans are absolutely pumped, man. They're just as excited as you and I are. But, Nick, I gotta tell you, man, as good as you are in racing, I know you love to get up there and freestyle that squid all over the place, man. What can we expect from Kraken and Freestyle tonight?
You're gonna see some big air, you're gonna see some donuts, some nosebleeds. You're gonna see everything you wanna see in a monster truck freestyle coming right here. You already see the hoods off of it, it's got some damage. You know what? That just fuels my fire. That means I can rip this body in half if I have to for you guys. You're gonna see one heck of a show.
Awesome, awesome. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, the guy that's looking to get squiddy with it, it's Nick Pagliarulo and Kraken!
All right, folks. Hey, look what's coming up here, Corbin.
That's right.
All right, just like this trick, you're going to choose who's the winner freestyle at the conclusion of this. Collision Derby. I'll tell you more about that after this one. Here comes Kraken!
I think the rule is ready to release the Kraken.
You've seen this truck on TV over the years and compete in freestyle all across this station. You know he can tear it up. And he's ready. Are you ready?
It's time to release the Kraken. Oh, nice air.
Just the front brakes thrown off.
Sending the square to the moon. Let's hear it for Kraken. Oh, nice air.
Just the front brakes thrown off.
Slap wheelie down there. That's awesome.
Something burp.
What is Preston thinking here? I think he's backing up for something big here.
go through a break-in period or something?
ladies and gentlemen, you guys are going to be our judges here today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's find out who won. Who thinks the winner should be Jester? Who thinks the winner should be Illuminator? Who thinks the winner should be Toxic? Who thinks the winner should be Kraken? And who thinks the winner should be Excalibur? This is a tough one. Tough.
There's kind of a comeback kid story that I think really won over the Buck Motorsports fans. So your winner of Freestyle, let's give it up. Excalibur is your winner. Don't forget, fans, these drivers